Hey guys, this is going to be my review of the Qiyi Square-1. This puzzle is the biggest revolution in Square-1 technology to hit the market in years. It costs $12 at the cubicle.us, which is the standard price of a Square-1. The shades on the stickerless version are pretty good, and I would say they're a half-bright shade. The puzzle is about 55 millimeters, which is the same as most other Square-1s on the market. The layers are the same proportion as all the other Square-1s, so it doesn't feel different in the hands. And the ball core design of the mechanism is very similar to the MF8 V2, but where the MF8 had issues, the Qiyi fixed them. The shapes of the pieces are rounded so that they will not catch on the other ones, which was an issue with a lot of the older Square-1s. I completely lubricated this puzzle with Traxxas 50K, which is my go-to lubricant, and the slice turns are excellent, but the U and D moves are lacking. This is a common issue with people that own this puzzle. I have not experienced any pops with this puzzle after doing the first half of the Rao Low mod, and I have not done the second part with the spring swap. This might affect the performance of the U and D layers, but I like how they're a little bit slower to allow for accurate turning. The feel of this puzzle is comparable to going from an old Type A DIY, then switching to a Guhong. It's a massive improvement. The puzzle feels less constricted compared to a Calvin Square-1 and is much more forgiving. The corner cutting is very good, but is hard to show because it is, after all, a Square-1. I have heard some people have issues with the core and how it can easily come apart because the screw strips or some other reason, but I think this might be because they are inexperienced Square-1 solvers and try to turn it too rough. My times have dropped about 6 seconds from 23 down to 17-18 seconds for my global average. My official average has dropped from a 21.71 down to a 15.51. I recommend this puzzle to anyone that is looking for a Square-1, and its performance is unrivaled and makes solving fun.